video to demonstrate the I'm Stuck page in the vocabulary file Communication Journey Aphasia. So you're telling me something about your grandson, but I'm not quite getting it.
It's about something that happened yesterday.
Oh, okay. I wonder if you saw your grandson yesterday.
It's a thing for sports.
So it's something about your grandson, and you saw him yesterday, is that right? And with sports, I know he plays baseball. So something about your son and yesterday, your grandson, sorry, and yesterday and playing baseball. Was he playing baseball? Did you go to the game? Terrific.